ब्यूटीज, मैं हूँ आपकी दोस्त गार्गी एंड वंस अगेन अ वेरी वेरी वार्म वेलकम इन योर वेरी ओन चैनल जिसका नाम है ब्यूटी एंड फिटनेस मंत्रा विद गार्गी. सो गाइज, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर स्टॉपिंग बाय. इफ यू आर फर्स्ट टाइम हियर, प्लीज कंसिडर सब्सक्राइबिंग टू माय यूट्यूब फैमिली, एंड if you are already my subscriber, guys, thank you. I am truly blessed to have you in this beautiful community. And as you must have already read the thumbnail, that today we will be talking about 10 random things which every girl must have, or at least I have. So don't judge, बहुत ही random stuff है, but something which is always around me, like I cannot do without these small things, but which are actually useful. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. So guys, the very first thing is this beautiful spacious sling bag in black classic color, and this has this fur. Guys, I absolutely love it because this is quite comfortable, and mostly everything fits in, like a small bottle, maybe whatever I need, my house key, money, everything comes into this, and then I just put it around me. And sling is always more comfortable than any other bag, like so it's not very small and it's not very big, but absolutely a must have for me. So a random stuff, but quite important for me. So this is the first thing. And then second thing, I think, which every girl should have are these. Guys, इसकी क्या importance है ये मुझे लॉकडाउन में समझ आया. And because we were not going to the salons for grooming, for waxing, and this I have been using on myself. These are wheat full body waxing kit, and it is so easy and so good to use, guys. Basically you get these strips, you have to warm it and you're good to go with the very smooth hands and legs, and you can do waxing at your home in your own comfort. So absolutely a very good discovery during this lockdown. Nothing is sponsored, guys. I'm actually loving these random things which have been very useful. Then the third random thing is, guys, a body mist. It's very very important to smell good, like all the time wherever we are going. It's really very important. The moment you enter any place, like you are going to meet someone, you're just going stepping out just for a random walk, but if you just spray one pump, and the entire mood changes. So this is a travel pack, a small one, not necessarily a body mist. You can go for a deo, but the bottom line is that you should always smell good. So this is the third random stuff. And the fourth random stuff, guys, a small ring light. I discovered it recently. This is so cute, guys. And basically this you can just put on your phone, like if somebody calls, or if you're shooting for IGTV, for YouTube video. And it was only just 150, and can you see? So this was so good that the light falls on your face, and it's absolutely a very good thing. In given the price, it was just 150. So I absolutely love it. And you can change the mode, like now it's not flashing. So I got the white one. You get yellow in it, and you get you can charge it. So it's damn good, and just 150 rupees. I mean, really, wow. So the next random stuff is, guys, this. So basically this is a virgin coconut oil, guys. I cannot stop raving about this. This one I have been using from the brand called Safa. You can use any brand, but this personally suits me. Guys, this is so good. Like, it's just not a regular coconut oil. It works so well as a moisturizer, but I use it just before festivals like Dashera aane wala hai, Diwali aane wala hai. So it's my ritual since years. I use it for brightening. I use it for a beautiful face pack. And how I use it, it gives me amazing results. So I don't think I will ever stop using this for my body. And this is something I always carry if I'm traveling, if I'm at home. This is every single day I use a coconut virgin oil. You don't have to buy of this brand, you can buy of any brand, but personally I love this because this gives your skin that baby soft look. And I mix it with coconut powder, and it instantly gives that brightening effect on my skin. If you want to know how I do it, please comment section में बताइएगा, उस पे भी मैं वीडियो बना दूंगी. But this is a random must have, a virgin coconut oil, guys, for that natural highlighter on your body, on your collarbones, on your face. must have, you know. Now let's talk about the next random stuff, and that is, guys, this. I am sure all of the girls already have it, but जिनके पास नहीं है, guys, you have to invest in a good straightener. This one is from Iconic, and this I bought it almost 5 or 6 years back, like really long back. Touch wood, it is still working, and it is so good. I don't straighten my hair every day, not at all. Once in a while, when I really want that grooming effect, you know, baal ekdam, you look so well groomed. So just one stroke and you are like good to go. So invest in a good, you know. And when I bought it, it was slightly expensive, but now it's very, very affordable. So you can definitely try Iconic straightener on Amazon or any site you can buy. All right, so next thing is, guys, this. For me, it's like, you know, a holy grail, but it is Lakme 9 to 5 weightless mousse. So basically I use it as a lip tint, I use it for my cheeks, and today I've used this for both the things. So whenever I'm stepping out, मैं अलग से lipstick नहीं रखती हूँ, मैं अलग से blush नहीं रखती हूँ. ये, you know, that's all I carry, and जरा सा cheeks पे लगाया, lips पे लगाया, good. So this is a random thing which I always carry in my bag. And now let's talk about the next random stuff. So guys, this is the next stuff which I always keep it in my bag, and that is a cleansing balm. You don't have to specifically go for this brand only. I personally love it because it's organic and it's cruelty free and it really soothes my skin. और cleansing balm, please, अगर आप ये myth सोचते हैं कि सिर्फ मेकअप लगाएं उसके बाद ही ज़रूरी होता है, नहीं. The moment, you know, you come back to your house, even without makeup, आपने सिर्फ sunscreen लगाए, घर में सबसे पहले घुसते ही आप अपने face को cleanse करें, उसके बाद face wash करें. I always, you know, do that process, and this is from Earth Rhythm. So it's always, you know, always in my bag, and you know, this is organic and very good for skin. And even if you don't use makeup, always cleanse your face and then wash it. Okay, so this is the random stuff. And then classic blue jeans. I'm sure you already have in your wardrobe. If you don't, please invest in a good, well fitted, you know, sexy classic jeans. And you know, denim blue color, I love this, and how much I use it, oh my god. So absolutely a must have. And the last random stuff is, guys, sneakers. Yes, white sneakers are must have, and you know, it's really, really cool, so comfortable. I always love to be more comfortable than, you know, investing more on high heels. Yes, of course, we all should have heels, but I always prefer that comfort should be above style. So white sneakers, if you don't have, girl, please invest in a good white sneakers. Damn comfortable, goes with almost every outfit, like blue denims, white sneakers, voila, you're good to go. So I think this is it, 10 random stuff which I wanted to share with you. Any of it which you also always carry, you know, please share in comment section, or anything which I have been missing out, प्लीज़ यार शेयर करो कि ये भी होना चाहिए. आई वुड लव टू हियर दैट ऑल्सो फ्रॉम यू. एंड प्लीज़ गाइज टेल मी कि ये अक्टूबर सीरीज आपको कैसी लग रही है, बिकॉज आई एम ट्राइंग टू अपलोड वीडियोज एवरी सिंगल डे. एंड थैंक यू फॉर सो मच ऑफ लव यू आर गिविंग टू माई चैनल. प्लीज़ डू शेयर वीडियोज विद योर फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स. इफ you have not liked, please like the video, and I will see you very soon. But before that, if you're not following me on Instagram, guys, please come on, follow me on Instagram, Gargi Sharma 290. I will see you super soon. Till then, as I always say, stay happy, stay blessed.